Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around $62,758 and remains under pressure. The overall market structure is still bearish because the price is trading below the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 200 EMA. This indicates that sellers are still in control of the market. Looking at the chart pattern, Bitcoin appears to be forming a bear flag. After a strong downward move, the price entered a consolidation phase, and now it is testing key support levels. A breakdown from this pattern could trigger another bearish move. Key support levels. First support, $62,200. Major support, $59,080. Bearish target zone, $58,000 to $57,500. Key resistance levels. First resistance, $64,300. Strong resistance, $65,500. Major resistance, $68,200. Trade idea for bearish traders. A rejection around the current resistance zone may provide a short opportunity with targets at $61,000 and $59,080. For bullish traders, it would be safer to wait for a confirmed breakout above $64,500. If Bitcoin closes above that level, the next targets could be $65,500 and potentially $68,000. Conclusion: as long as Bitcoin remains below the 50 EMA, the trend stays bearish. A break below $62,200 could lead to further downside toward the $59,000 region. However, a strong breakout above resistance could shift momentum back to the bulls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto market updates. Now we're analyzing Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around $62,754 and the market remains under strong bearish pressure. The price is trading below the 50 EMA at $69,686, 100 EMA at $72,574, and 200 EMA at $78,091, confirming a long-term downtrend. Looking at the chart, Bitcoin formed a major top around $82,828 and then experienced a strong sell-off. After hitting the $59,080 support zone, the price attempted a relief bounce but is still struggling below key resistance levels. Support levels. First support, $62,000. Major support, $59,080. Breakdown target, $55,000 to $53,000. Resistance levels. First resistance, $65,000. Strong resistance, $69,700, EMA 50. Major resistance, $72,500, EMA 100. Pattern analysis: the chart is forming a bearish retest pattern. After the sharp drop, Bitcoin bounced back but failed to reclaim important resistance levels. This suggests sellers are still dominating the market. Trade setup. Short trade. Entry, $62,500 to $63,000. Stop loss, $65,500. TP1, $59,080. TP2, $55,000. Long trade. Entry only after a daily close above $65,000. Stop loss, $62,500. TP1, $69,700. TP2, $72,500. Key level to watch. The most important level right now is $59,080. If Bitcoin breaks below this support, a larger bearish move could begin. On the other hand, reclaiming $65,000 would be the first sign of bullish recovery. Before we start today's Ethereum analysis, a quick update. In our previous trade setup, the targets we discussed were successfully reached, and the trade played out exactly as expected. Congratulations to everyone who followed proper risk management. Now let's move on to Ethereum. Currently, ETH is trading around $1,697 on the 4-hour time frame. The overall trend remains bearish as the price is trading below the 50 EMA at $1,727, 100 EMA at $1,759, and 200 EMA at $1,864. Looking at the chart, Ethereum experienced a strong decline from the $2,096 region and later found support near $1,503. After bouncing from that support, ETH attempted a recovery but is now facing rejection near key resistance levels. Pattern analysis. Ethereum appears to be forming a bearish retest pattern. After the initial drop, the price bounced back and retested resistance. But buyers failed to push above the major moving averages. This indicates that sellers are still controlling the market. Support levels. First support, $1,680. Major support, $1,600. Strong support, $1,503. Resistance levels. First resistance, $1,730. Strong resistance, $1,760. Major resistance, $1,865. Trade setup. Short trade. Entry, $1,695 to $1,710. Stop loss, $1,760. Take profit 1, $1,600. Take profit 2, $1,503. Long trade. Entry after a confirmed breakout above $1,760. Stop loss, $1,690. Take profit 1, $1,865. Take profit 2, $1,950. Key level to watch. The most important level right now is $1,680. If ETH breaks below this support, the next move could be toward $1,600 and potentially $1,503. However, if buyers reclaim $1,760, Ethereum could start a stronger recovery phase.